Hello everyone, it's Maggie in front.
And it's Kate somewhere near our camera.
And this is with our new little video suite, isn't it? So very exciting.
Yeah,
so,
don't expect much.
Yeah. Watch this space. Okay, so this is our PSI Love You album that we did a little while ago, and we have the PDF available on the website. This was actually at a Wansford workshop we did. We used lots of our little dies, our little photo corners.
What paper's that?
P.S. I love you. So it's very appropriate because we're actually
no,
filming this on Valentine's
there
Day.
you go.
Happy Valentine's Day. Okay, so this was done. So there's a pocket here. Let me show you. Pocket here. Invisible pocket here, which is actually done with a walrus whisker. Photo mats, photo slots. And you've got another pocket here. So I'm just getting used to a different layout. And a pocket here. This is a pocket page in between here. And then we carry on. This is what we call a catch-up page. So it's very quick. You just cut photo slots in and then you've got pockets there.
Those dark bits are glossy accents.
Oh, yes, these bits, yes. Can I lift it? I don't even know where the camera is.
Oh, don't you just do that.
Oh, we're going to play with the machine. Oh, yeah. Oh, there's Posh K.
There you go.
Cool. You can see, you can never have enough glossy accents, in my opinion. Right, so now we have a little posh button thing at the side. What's it called? A stream deck. Yeah. Okay, so next page. Oh, this is a nice page. So when you pull this is our full page sliding waterfall. And on each page, we've actually cut in photo slots. Now, when we talk about our photo slot dies, that means they cut the slots in and you can fit your pictures in so you can change them if you want to. So if you've got a different Valentine this year, put a different picture in. That's all I'm saying. So, and they just slot in really easily.
And you can take those out if you want to keep the pattern of the paper.
Yes, yeah. So, and then on the inside, we've got another little invisible pocket, again, cut with the walrus whiskers. And I've got that stuck in there, and that's it. So that just pulls. That's using our waterfall slider die, and that's our page tab dies. So next page. Okay, this is what we call a quick catch-up page. So this is just like horizontal pockets, and you don't use very much paper as well when you do them. Can we zoom out a bit more, Kay? That's better. Okay, and then here we've got two matching each other. We've got a little pocket there, and a pocket there. That opens up. You've got a pocket here, and you've got a pocket there. And when we did the class, we actually staggered the page tabs because when you close the page, those two stick together with the magnets. So another pocket there, and then a pocket there. So that's a really, I like this paper actually. The more I've used it, the more I liked it.
Yeah, it's quite classic,
quite
isn't it?
Yeah, quite a wedding.
Yes, it is actually. It's not a wedding.
So that is P.S. I Love You.
Okay, thank you for watching.
Goodbye.